Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to find barcode in Cash App. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you need is your Cash App and your Cash App account. So once you have a Cash App downloaded, you need to simply tap it on. Once you tap it on, you will end up in this kind of interface. So once you are here, this is your main homepage where you can simply request for money or send money. So you need to simply tap on the scanner like icon on the top left hand side of the corner. Once you tap on it, you will end up in this kind of interface. So this will allow you to scan others' barcode, or you can simply tap on my code to see your specific barcode. So by default you will be in the scanner page. So if you tap on my code, then you will end up in this kind of interface where you will be shown your Cash App's barcode. So by following this method, you can simply find your barcode in Cash App. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.